If you want to breathe some life into your homes or just add some character to it, all you need is an outstanding collection of paintings. But if it is handmade, then I would say your home walls would reflect and define your personality and your choice. This is how I've decorated my house with these handmade paintings of mine. This wall art is called as Lippen art. I have used clay along with mirrors and have made this design on a paper, and then I have framed it. Actually, this is a clay art from the state Gujarat, and it is mostly done by the village ladies from Kutch in Gujarat to decorate their homes. Traditionally, this Lippen art is made by adding mud and cow dung to decorate their walls in the villages. This painting is called mandala painting. I have used canvas board and painted this mandala design in between, and to give this embossed look, I have used Fevicryl's fabric gold outliner and outlined this mandala design. Around mandala design, I have made this mehendi patterns using black marker and to fill the space, and I have framed this wall art. These mandala designs are originated from Buddhist culture. They are the devotional images, often the symbol of idol and universe. It was originated in 14th century. This wall art I have made using clay on a canvas board, actually seeing one of the YouTube channel, and I have colored black as base, and I have used golden acrylic color to give this bronze look. After that, I have just framed this painting. This painting is called Madhubani painting. In this, I have made peacock design and painted with acrylic color, and around peacock motif, without leaving any space, I have made these designs and painted it. Madhubani art is also called as Mithila painting. It is from Mithila region in Bihar. It is actually said that King Janak, the ruler of Mithila kingdom in 8th and 7th century BC, when he made his daughter Sita get married to Sri Ram, he wanted to capture the memories of their wedding. That is how this Madhubani painting was originated in 8th or 7th century. And the motifs which they use in this Madhubani painting is actually related to nature, scenes, flowers, animal, plants, bird, etc. And in this painting, they don't give any space in between. No space is left empty. This is simple clay art on a A4 sheet paper. I have drew a cycle. Using clay, I have outlined the cycle and I have painted on it. After painting, I have framed this artwork. This is one of my favorite and most time taken pencil shading. I chose the image from Google, I drew the image, and I have pencil shaded with it to give the original effect. And after that, I have just framed this pencil shading. But it looks really beautiful when you frame it on wall.